Hello and welcome to another set of Nerdle puzzles, starting with basic one as always. And what have we got? So we've got a minus but not in the third position, and we've got an equals that's not in the right position either. So we could have 104 minus 98, that uses different digits, different positions for the symbols. Still not that many things in the right position, so the equals is correct. So now I'm thinking something minus maybe a 2-digit number divided by a 1-digit number. Although we've got most of the digits now, I suppose this could be 18 over 9, but it can't be because we can't have 2 minus 18 over 9 because we need to get the 0 involved somewhere. And it can't be 81 over 9 either, because this can't be a 9 over here. Which means that I don't think the answer can be 0. So we're going to have the 0 somewhere else. Well, it's not going to be here or here. The 0 can only be there. Or we could have... So if that's a 0, what sum can we make that equals 8? You would have to have a 1 and a 9 in it, so I don't think that's going to work either. What about something that equals 7? I don't think that's going to work either, because we need to include the 0. So maybe this is not correct. I mean, it also could just be something 2 digits divided by a 1-digit number minus a 1-digit number. Oh, so actually, yes, maybe 81 over 9 minus 9 equals 0. I think that works. Oh, it's still not right. Okay, so it has to be 8 minus something. And the answer is not 0. The 9 has to be here or at the end. So that's minus 1 plus 10 equals 9. I think that works. Wow. We had a sum yesterday that went below 0 and then went back above it. So that's 2 in a row. It felt like not a very strong solving performance, but still solved it in 4, which is not terrible. Let's try the binodal now then. Hopefully things will wake up. Here we go. So we'll start with the same sum. And we've got the equals in the wrong place again. Very unusual. And there's no minus this time. So if it was something like 85 times 7 for the first one, what would that give us? 585? No, 595, so that can't be correct, because we don't have a 9. Could be 80, that would give us 560, so that's all different digits. So let's try that. Oh, it has to be 81 then, so unlucky. Oh, 567, sorry. Right, and the bottom one, we still haven't got the equals in the right place, but there's no times or minus, but the equals is going to have to be here. So if it's a 1-digit answer, that means there's going to be some division involved. Oh dear, that means it might be a 3-digit number divided by a 2-digit number. Although we've only got 1s, 4s, 7s and 9s to play with. Can we multiply any of those things together? Yes, we can. 4. Oh, well that equals 9, doesn't it? So we haven't used the 7. 47 times 7 is not going to work. Oh, I feel like this must be close though. That would be 3, 4, 3, 4, 9 I think, but we haven't got 3. 3, 2, 9. But we haven't got a 3 or a 2, and we need to include the 1 in there somewhere. Oh, I feel like it might be a 3-digit over a 2-digit, which is going to be very difficult to work out. 147, no, 144 divided by 9 is 16, which is very close. We need it to be 17. It could be something like, oh, 14 over 7, if it was, that's 2, so it could be 7 plus 14 over 7, that's a possibility. Of even, oh, there's no plus, so it is just a 3-digit number divided by a 2-digit number. At least now we know the number of the answer equals 9. Oh, and there's no 4. So it's 171 divided by 19, I think. That has to be correct. Yeah. I was convinced there was a 4 in there for some reason, but we hadn't included it, we just hadn't excluded it. Oh, and this is another 3-digit divided by 2-digit. Oh, and I think... Oh, so the equals is not there, so that means it has to just be something equals 2, which means it has to be, what would it be, 156 divided by 78. That felt longer than 25 seconds, to be honest, but I'm not complaining. Super speedy solve. Oh, we haven't got much information here. Let's try some addition. So 34 plus 65, I suppose. Got to duplicate something. We haven't got enough digits, I think. Oh, it's not a plus. Oh, it's going to have to be times then, isn't it? Yeah, it can't just be... Oh, it could be... Oh, no, it can't be minus. We can't have 400 and something minus a 1-digit number to give a 2-digit number. Oh, so 9 times 6 minus 9 equals 54. No, 45. Oh, 6 times 9. Very unlucky. Just over a minute. Yeah, almost got that significantly quicker because there's a 10-second penalty for going into the 4th guess. But I've definitely had worse ones, so can't complain. What should we do? Let's do something slightly different to normal. 2, 5 and 7 were bad numbers to choose, it turns out. It's going to have to be 1 plus 9 equals 10, I think. That's the only way that we can get the equals in a different place. Yeah, that actually, getting the 1 in the right place on the first guess turned out to be, luckily, quite useful indeed. I think that might have been unique after just 1 guess, which is very unusual. Let's try subtraction again. Oh, I shouldn't have bothered with subtraction, clearly. Let's try addition then. Oh, so there's a duplicated 1 on the top one. I was never going to guess that in the first couple of guesses. It's always best, I think, to not duplicate digits if possible. And quite a lucky guess there on the bottom one. There was at least 2 answers because it could have been 2 times 7 instead of 7 times 2. But yeah, there we go. That's the full set. Thank you for watching. Bye for today.